Okay, here's an explanation of how to write division stories. Now, if you remember way back when we started our multiplication chapter, we did the same thing with writing multiplication stories. And then there was a template that we followed, and if you followed that template, you would be pretty certain that you would get a correct division story each time. Well, the same is going to hold true for our division stories. The thing we have to remember about division is that division means that you're sharing equally. And when you're writing your division stories, you want to make sure that your story problem includes someone or something sharing items equally among a group of things. Right? I mean, remember, no one wants to feel left out and have less, right? So just remember that when you're doing your division stories. So if you use the template below, just like we did for the multiplication stories, you can't go wrong with your division stories. So here is the template. Blank has blank blank. He or she wants to share them equally. That's the most important part for your division stories. He wants to share them equally with blank blank. How many blank will each blank get? Now it sounds kind of confusing, but below I filled it in with an example. Alright, let's look down here at the example. Here's my story problem. Stephen has 12 Jolly Ranchers. He wanted to share them equally with his 4 friends. How many Jolly Ranchers will each friend get? Well, the first thing we have to do is draw a picture of what our story problem is telling us. So we have Stephen's 4 friends here. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. And the problem says he is sharing his 12 Jolly Ranchers with these 4 friends. So if you remember today, what we did was we gave each friend a Jolly Rancher, and as we were giving the Jolly Ranchers, we were counting on. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back to the first one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We reached our 12 Jolly Ranchers. Our last step would be to count how many Jolly Ranchers each friend has. And as you can see by the picture, we have 1, 2, 3. So our answer to our division problem would be each friend will get 3 Jolly Ranchers. And here is one more example, but it's worded a little bit differently. Our problem says Sarah has 15 crayons. She wants to put an equal amount into her 3 pencil cases. How many crayons will go in each pencil case? Well, my first step would be to draw her 3 pencil cases. 1, 2, 3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the very first pencil case. And I'm going to give each one a crayon, and I'm going to count on as I go until I reach 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now the answer to my problem would be how many crayons will go in each pencil case? Count up the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be 5 crayons in each pencil case. I hope this helped. If you follow this template, then you'll be sure to get all the division story problems correct.